Welcome back to HomeGlow Studio. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive tour of this architectural masterpiece. Nestled in the mountains, this ultra-luxury villa features a stunning infinity pool and seamless indoor-outdoor living. As we step through the grand entrance, the soaring high ceilings and custom-built crystal chandeliers create an unforgettable first impression of pure elegance. Walking into the main living spaces, you can see the premium Italian marble flooring and floor-to-ceiling glass walls. They flood the halls with natural light. This estate is designed for hosting, boasting a fully integrated smart home automation system, custom recessed lighting, and a private acoustic cinema room for the ultimate luxury entertainment experience. Before we explore the culinary spaces, if you love luxury design, take a second to subscribe to HomeGlow Studio and turn on notifications. Now, look at these incredible kitchen concepts. Each design features premium quartz countertops, state-of-the-art hidden appliances, and a beautiful minimalist island. Cooking here while looking at the panoramic mountain views is an absolute dream. Moving into the private wing of the estate, we enter the ultra-luxury bedrooms. Designed to offer a high-end hotel experience, these master suites feature massive floor-to-ceiling glass windows with breathtaking mountain views. With premium custom headboards, rich wooden wall paneling, integrated ambient strip lighting, and private balconies, these spaces are the absolute definition of a peaceful sanctuary. Right next to the master suites, we find the spectacular custom walk-in closets. These spaces are fully equipped with premium glass shelving, custom LED backlighting, and endless storage for luxury wardrobes. Flowing seamlessly from the closets are the spa-like bathrooms, featuring floating vanities, standalone soaking tubs, and premium marble finishes that elevate daily relaxation. Step into the epitome of grandeur, the main living spaces of this villa. Defined by spectacular double-height ceilings and massive floor-to-ceiling glass windows, these halls offer an unforgettable open layout. The pristine marble flooring perfectly reflects the warm glow of magnificent custom chandeliers, creating a rich and welcoming ambience. From the cozy seating near the dramatic black marble fireplace to the elegant entertainment lounge with its own grand piano, every single corner is meticulously crafted to showcase the absolute finest in contemporary luxury interior design. True luxury is always found in the finest details, from the premium stitched leather and custom fabrics to these stunning, elegantly curated floral arrangement. Every element brings soul to this estate. Which feature of this modern villa inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cinematic tour, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to HomeGlow Studio for more dream homes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.